boy. Hey, welcome to another installment of I Do Stuff on HackerRank. That's not what this not what this segment's called, but yeah. So this is another episode. I'm not entirely sure what challenge this is yet, but we're gonna get to that right now. All right, so this is staircase. It says, consider a staircase of size n equals 4. Observe that its base and height are both equal to n, and the image is drawn using hash symbols. I guess that's what those are called. And spaces. The last line is not preceded by any spaces. Write a program that prints a staircase of size n, function description, complete the staircase function, and blah blah blah. A single integer n denoting the size of the staircase. 0 to 100. Print a staircase of size n using hash symbols and spaces. The last line must have 0 spaces in it. Staircase is right line, composed of symbols and spaces, and has a height and width of n equals 6. Jeez Louise. This is probably going to be difficult. Okay, so how would I do this? Obviously, I'm going to have to loop. That's given. Man, I have no idea. And I have to print. So the first thing that comes to my mind is, I have to loop. So for let I equal 0, let I equal 0. Should I let I equal 0, or should I let I equal 1? Huh. We'll figure that out. I'm not sure. I is less than or equal to n. No, I is less than n. I plus plus. Now what do we do? So we need to console log. Can I do like string times? No, I can't do string times a number, I don't think, because then it'll try to just, yeah, that's not gonna work. Would I build a string? Man, this is challenging. Okay, so console log. We don't want to console log yet. So if inside each, actually, we'll end up console logging at the end of this this iteration. So I'll go ahead and put that in there. We just won't be doing that right now. Oh, geez Louise. Okay. So we need to build a string. So let string equal that. And I'm thinking, I don't really know how to dynamically, without running another loop, I don't really know how to build a string just, based on just from a number. How can I just run an operation to say, here's this string, I want 6 of them? Brute force, the first thing that pops into my mind is I need another for loop. Oh man, I don't like this. I know for a fact there's a way better way. J is less than 6. J is less than n, the same thing. J plus plus. This is so terrible. This is absolutely terrible. So what do I want to check? I'm building. So J is where I will be creating the hash thingy, and then so what I want to do is I'm using J to fill the string. That's what I'm using J for. It's to run the loop to fill the string, and I is keeping track of how many hashes and how many spaces there's going to be. We're going to console log string dot push. How would I tell it when to start adding the hashes? So we have I, which is 0, and I feel like I needs to be 1. I equals 1. I is less than or equal to n. Same with J. J should equal 1, less than or equal to n. I think it just makes it a little easier for the loop to kind of be understood. So string plus equals. So I need to check. So if I say, for example, if I is 1, say if j is less than, if j is less than n minus I, then string plus equals a space, and then else if else string plus equals this. I have no idea. Expected output, my output. My output started with 2. Okay, so maybe it does need to be, equal to 0. Equal to 0. Or wait. Maybe this one just needs to be equal to 0. What happens then? This is where I'm going to get into all the trial and error stuff. Hey! Boy! Dude, I was so not confident with this one. Okay. That's the first test case. So we have to submit this now, and we have to see if it passes all of them. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna test it pretty hard. So let's see. Oh, it's taking a while. Oh man, it's gonna fail. Test 5, come on. It's always test 5 that takes the longest. Come on, test 5, what are you doing? Test 5, what are you doing, bro? Okay, that's not a good sign. Oh, what? Maybe it was just my network. Maybe my network was just acting slow. That is awesome. I'm sure there's a better way. It's just not coming to mind right now. I don't know how to dynamically fill those things. I got something in my water. Yeah, I'm glad that worked. That was pretty cool. Pretty cool to actually see it work with the unconfidence that I had, if that makes sense. But alright, well that's pretty much everything. That wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you weren't screaming at me the whole time like,
Triston, it's so simple. How can you not figure this out? It's so basic. All you gotta do is this, and this, and that's it.
And then I'm over here like, I don't know what I'm doing. I hope that wasn't the case. But if it was, leave a comment. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I could have done. Tell me something. Tell me anything. Tell me how much you love me. Tell me how much you want to. I don't know what I'm getting at. But tell me something. Comment. Do that. And like. And subscribe. And hit the bell. And I'll probably say that again in the outro, because I'm trying to add an outro. I'm trying to make this kind of professional, so things are probably going to slowly get a little better, hopefully. Yeah, stay tuned. We're going to have another one in another day. I don't even know what day I'm on with this video, so okay. Peace out, guys. Hope you're taking it easy.